Welcome back. It is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland, honey. And girl, look at that back of that neck, child. And look at them edges. All right. Girl, you better stop playing with your whole entire life. And girl, girl, invest. Girl, look at that hair. Is that AliExpress, baby? No. Okay, I'm trying to help you, Lord child, today. Get them edges in check. Purchase your raw Burmese hair. Weighing in that 20 pounds. You better leave that Scandinavian and that Bonovian and that Petrovian hair alone and purchase you some raw Cambodian hair today. Sis, give yourself a break. Ain't you tired of letting that hard plastic hair poke you in your eye? And poke you in your man's eye when you tug him at night? Okay? Girl, stop playing with yourself.